Welcome to Mealz. We are very happy to have you on board. Signing up and creating a profile on Mealz is very easy and only takes a few seconds. You can do so via Facebook or email. To sign up, simply input your first name, your last name, your email address, choose a username, and choose a password. If you sign up with an email, you will be asked to confirm your email address. Once you sign up, you can edit your profile on Mealz. Simply add your profile picture, enter a location, and if you have a website link, add it to your profile. Include a short description and say a few words about yourself. Don't forget to connect your Mealz account to your social media profiles. That way, your readers will be able to follow you on social media too. To save the changes, simply click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. You can now follow other authors on Mealz and start sharing your recipes, meal plans, articles, and much more. Thank you for coming to the tutorial.